boiling water, 开水开水开 first tone 开 literally means wait a minute open but here with 水开水 means boiling water. For example, 他用开水泡茶他用开水泡茶 She makes tea with boiling water. If you want to say the water is boiling hot, you cannot say 这个水太开了 Okay, remember, because I just told you 开 means open. You cannot say this water is too open. Okay, this does not make sense. So you can use 烫 instead. 烫 fourth tone. 这个水太烫了 This water is boiling hot. Okay, guys, let's check this picture right over here so you can understand better. So how to say ice water? Yes, 冰水 cold water. Correct. 冷水 warm water. 温水 hot water. 热水 boiling water. Yes, 开水. If you want to say the water is too ice cold, you can say 太冰了. If you want to say the water is cold, you can say 太冷了. If you want to say the water is too hot, you can say 太热了. If you want to say the water is boiling hot, you can say 太烫了.